Hello, hi, it's Liz here and it's Monday, so time to open the little collage book following the Margarete Miller prompts, and we are at week 29. So this week's prompts: something that starts with letter N, a piece of postcard either side, a piece of colouring book, a measurement of something even if you write it out, something in a geometric shape besides rectangular, and the bonus is something that represents summer. So again, I thought this one was a little bit tricky, but I think we've got there. I've got my little bundle here. I have something that starts with an N, which is from this book, this old book that I use to pull out old book pages. It's an old encyclopedia, and that's where I get my old book pages from, and it's a neutron. So something beginning with N is a neutron. There we are. A piece of postcard, which I found this, which was free with a magazine, Flow magazine, a postcard. A piece of colouring book page. I discovered this in the drawer and I don't know where it came from. It was probably free with a magazine as well, so we'll cut that down a little bit. A measurement of something I'm going to swap out for the bonus. So something in a geometric shape other than a rectangle, and I've got this oval here. And something that represents summer, of course you've got to have a butterfly, so I've got a nice little lace butterfly here that I thought was a wee bit unusual, and I'm going to put that there somewhere. So first of all, I thought I would use the colouring page as my background just to cover the whole page. It's unusual for me. I don't think I've covered a whole page a lot. I think maybe once or twice. So I'm just going to cut it down. I'm not fussed about which bit of the image I get. I'm just going to mark where I want to cut it. Because I think most of it will be covered, so yeah, we'll just use the trimmer to chop it up and keep those pieces, because we keep pieces of everything. You never know. Right, that fits just about. Yep. So that's our piece of colouring. I've got this, and I think I'm going to take these blue bits off and tidy it up a wee bit. So again, I'll just trim it down with the trimmer. I hope you can see that. I've got a glass of juice at the back there. It's stopping the trimmer going back there. Can you see that now? Yeah. So we'll just trim that down a little bit, because it says a piece of postcard, so we don't need to use these plain blue bits, and we'll just take the little edge off the end and a little bit off this bit. There we are, that's better. Love. Okay, piece of postcard, and I've got my N, which I think usually I would like to layer everything up and attach it all, but I do quite like as if that's a heading separately, and we'll maybe just layer the rest up so that it sits maybe like that. Yeah. I just noticed that the oval is picking up the oval of the neutrons there, so we'll just keep that quite a bit to the side, and that gives the butterfly an oval to sit on. What do you think? Yeah, I think we'll go for that. Right, let's get sticking. I've got my old magazine here. We'll just move that up there. So, my glue stick. So this is Monday. I'm filming this on Sunday. Great excitement on the television. Not great excitement in Scotland, but great excitement on the television because England are in the final. And of course it's all over the TV. What's that? I don't know. Little circle. Yeah, so by the time this is live, we'll know whether England has won or not. So good luck to them. You can't help but get caught up in it all. England versus Italy. So we'll see who's going to be happy tonight. Put that there. We can't really moan about them being all over the telly because I dare say if it was Scotland it would be the same. There we are. I'll get this stuck down round about here, I think. Yeah. So that we can have that oval to the side. And then we can see the neutrons. One of the types of minute particles which make up the nucleus of an atom. So there you are. Oh now, what we're going to stick this down with. Maybe we'll get some, I wonder if would that work, do you think? That might. No. Let's go for this. I think this will hold it. Let's just get up its little body. Yeah, that will hold it, I can tell. Just let that dry. Okay, so that's us for this week. It's a little bit different. I don't normally cover the whole page and I don't normally separate things out. Usually things are all bundled together, leaving a border. As you can see, the style of collage, I quite like to just make a little bundle of things, a little cluster, I suppose you would call it, but it's nice to have something a bit different. So that's number 29. I quite like it. One of my subscribers said that number 10 would never be dethroned. And it's hard to think that it will be dethroned. Still my favourite. Just something about it. But anyway, I think he's quite funny. Have you been collaging along with the prompts? There's one that's nearly a full page. It's great to look back, isn't it? I don't even remember that one. Number 4. I was going to say, I wonder why that's not typed up in my old typewriter, but it's handwriting. That's why it's my handwriting and not typed up. He's quite cool. Yeah. What I'll need to do is count out the pages that are left, because I don't think there's enough for 52. I think what I might have to do is start using each, not be so extravagant with this and try and fit it into the page. I need to think about that, or else I need to start a new book. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, thumbs up would be great, and take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.